Good day, everyone. Learn how to set Google as search engine and Google homepage in Google Chrome in Android phone. So open your Chrome browser in your Android phone, and at the top right corner where you have the three dots, click on that and then go to settings. Now here you will find the very first options, search engine. From here you can select Google and come back and then scroll down and you will find home page. Once you click on that, either you want to turn it on, you can turn on, and once you turn on, enter the custom address and type www.google.com. That's it. And once you do that, come back, and next time when you will open your Google Chrome, have a wonderful day.